Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Kathleen Takiwag Butak, 32 years old, blessed one child, a 9 years old girl, married. I am from San Ramon, Aurora, Isabela. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am a 4th child of the family. I am a college undergraduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I worked here in the Philippines in 2 years. I served 3 family members of the family, 2 adults, 1 child, a 3 years old girl. My main duty is taking care of the child and my household chores like cleaning, ironing, laundry, and marketing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I secure the baby if it's okay. If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call the employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, patient, honest, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad for my child and my family future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My husband, my parents, and my in-laws, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
If I am homesick, I wanted to
Okay. Wanted to focus.
focus to my work because dealing with
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working? What time do you...
I sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done and wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to let money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share the room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Like 1 little, 2 little, 3 little angel, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little angel, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little angel, 10 little angel girl.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. Please hire me as your helper. I promise that I will do my best to work with your family, and I promise I will treat you as my own family. Thank you.
Okay.